Lee.
Come now, Fumbleton. I don't understand why you even left the pantry in the first place.
Are you kidding? That place was so dull.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government, and message is not a test. At 11:05 Eastern Standard Time, the moons are dragging away deeper into the asteroid belt. There's no way we can stop the moons. You're in flight mode. Play the final activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
You okay?
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message. I repeat, all clear, there is nothing to worry about here. The moons were taken care of by the Sun and Venus. The big guns stated that Venus will be the new member of the big guns, and the young bombers stated that the Sun will be the new member of the young bombers. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.